Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we're going to talk about climate change. For those who don't know about climate change is the change in the daily weather conditions over a long duration of time. So you find that climate change is being caused by global warming. You see, when the sun rays, let's say, today I'm going to use this one as our Earth, global Earth. So when the sun rays hit the Earth, the rays will penetrate and then radiated back to the atmosphere. Now that's what we call global warming. So you find that sometimes there are greenhouse gases in the atmosphere or in Earth, which prevents the radiation going back to the atmosphere. So these gases are the water vapor, nitrogen, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and the methane. The nitrous oxides are mainly from the cultivation lands, and also the methane is from the landfill, waste from the landfill. I believe you all know the CFC also form part of the greenhouse gas effects. The CFCs are mainly from the industries. So you find that these gases get trapped in the atmosphere, and you find we experience things like global warming. And also, a good example is what happened in my country, Kenya, recently. There was a fault in my Maihu all the way to the Narok highway. So you find, as much as Rift Valley is part of that side, there was, you find that the fault as bad transport communication is a challenge right now. And then at the coast, we also experience the sea level rising. I wonder if you've ever seen the sea level rising at an alarming rate. You find that the marine creatures, the coral reef, are being affected as a result of carbonation in the ocean, and this is as a result of global warming. And also, the ecosystems are interdependent in that the Antarctic or the northern hemisphere changes in terms of climate will also affect the tropical regions. You find also that the polar bears are listed under the CITES as endangered species because of the global warming. And also, as a result of global warming, there are invasive species affecting our crops. And my country being agricultural activities being the backbone of my nation, you find that our food security is at stake if no proper channel is taken at this time. Various measures should be taken into place. For example, climate adaptations and other mitigations, like the use of solar energy, wind energy, and biofuels, like alternative fuels like biofuels, which are not harmful to our environment. And also, I would recommend that various stakeholders come in place to create awareness to the whole country regarding this issue. Otherwise, we will not be sure of tomorrow. And you know what? As the saying goes, like, we need to take care of our environment for, like, even as much as we're using our environment, we should use it sustainably, meaning that we need to consider the future generation at hand. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Till next time.